हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ theshivalilamba। आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं perfumesteal.com। perfumesteal.com एक ड्यूब हाउस है एंड इनमें लिटरली 700 प्लस इंटरनेशनल डिज़ाइनर फ्रेंच फ्रेगनेंसेस के ड्यूब्स क्रिएट करते हैं। ये परफ्यूम ऑयल एंड परफ्यूम स्प्रे दोनों फॉर्म्स में हमें जो इनके ड्यूब्स है वो अवेलेबल करते हैं and they are providing the dupes which are like 80 to 90% closer to the original perfumes out there. This is a perfume from Perfume Steal and the fragrance name is Beautiful by Estee Lauder. This is the 50 ml bottle that I received. You know, it's nice textured bottle. It feels luxurious to touch. These are inspired fragrances and they are created through chemical analysis reproduction of the original chemical formula. Fragrance is going to be absolutely the same as the original fragrance, but you will get it a very nominal price. This 50 ml spray inspired Beautiful by Estee Lauder Perfumesteal.com costed me somewhere around 500 or 600 rupees. Whereas if you go and buy the original packaging, the original spray from the retail store, it is going to cost you 7,500 rupees of 50 ml bottle. This is so much affordable and the fragrances is literally the same. This is Estee Lauder Beautiful for Women and the fragrances top class. This is a romantic light bouquet of 1,000 flowers combined with fresh citrus notes in the top and warm woody notes in the base. The base notes are warm and elegant and include sandalwood and vetiver. The top notes include rose, mandarin, lily, tuberose and marigold. Yes, make sure if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the like button in my video. Okay, मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।